Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I have a Christmas haul video for you today from Target Dollar Spot. So let's just go ahead and get started here with this first item in front of me, this cute little truck with the tree in the back. Adorable little wood stamp. That would be so cute to make your own little gift tags for Christmas. Or if you made cookies for someone, to put a little handmade gift tag on there with it. So I thought that was just adorable. The next thing I got, oops, I'm going to show you how much that was. That was only $1 at the Dollar Spot. And then this was only $1 as well. There we go. Wasn't wanting to focus. So I thought this was super cute. So this will probably either go in my guest room because I have the red and green in there, the traditional Christmas colors in there, or I may just put it in my youngest son's bedroom because he also has the red trucks in his room at Christmas time. So the next thing I purchased was these really cute paper little cut out little tags, little gift tags, and these were just $1. For how many do you get? I think you get 24 of them in there. Yeah, 24. So that was really good for $1. That's quite a few tags there, guys, for $1, I thought. The next thing I got were these really cute merry and bright little star wood. They could be ornaments, I thought. Would be adorable to use as ornaments or on gifts. So it is considered a gift topper. But you could use it for so many different things, and it was only $1. So I got 4 of these. Yeah, I got 4 of these little tags. And then the next thing I got was this really cute, authentic, Santa Claus approved since 1857 little wooden gift tag for $1. And then this cute little house, Christmas house with the wreath on it, little wooden tag for $1. So they had different kinds. They had little wooden stockings and different kinds, but those are the ones I picked out. And then the next thing I'll share with you is these really cute little metal houses here, and they fold out to look like this, so it makes a house scene, and this was $3. And they had these in black, white, and the galvanized metal, so it was hard to choose. I liked them all, so I ended up getting the galvanized metal. And then the next thing I purchased at the Target Dollar Spot were these cute little Christmas trees. And there are 6 of these bottle brush trees in there, and they were $3 for the whole pack. They also had little wreaths to match those little Christmas wreaths. And then they have these little signs. I just purchased these 2. This one says all is calm, all is bright, and the other little sign says believe. And that they were both each $1. So I thought really cute little wooden signs for $1. The next thing I want to share with you would be this really cute gift wrap. I love the black and white check, and it's just the short little smaller rolls, so it makes it really easy for wrapping smaller gifts. And it was $1. I purchased 2 of these, and you get 18 square feet of it. So super nice for, like I said, wrapping small things. It makes it so much easier than using those large rolls. And then the other thing I got were this cute little gift bag, and it was $1, and it says do not open until December 25th. And so you have a nice little drawstring here as well to put a little gift inside of there. And the next item was this cute little bag of coal for $1. And it actually is coal putty. So it's filled with putty, and you get 4 of them in the little package here. So I thought that was cute. The next item under here was this believe really nice little Believe Christmas tree skirt, and so I really liked that it was the neutral black and white. You do have a little bit of the black and red check inside of here, as well as the ties that tie the skirt. And so this tree skirt was $5. And then the next thing I purchased were these pine greenery little pick stems, greenery pick for $3 each. I thought those were really pretty and they just looked real to me. So I really like things that look real. Okay, the next item I purchased was the Snowballs 10 cents little metal bucket. And that was $3. So I really liked it. Really like that because they do sell the snowballs there as well. So I already had some from last year, but I wanted to get a little bit more to make this full. And my kiddos have fun with this, even the big kiddos, my teenagers have fun with these indoor snowball fight that you can have, and it's just a lot of fun because we don't get snow here in Louisiana, so it's something fun to do. And you get 10 of them in the bag for $3. So I thought those were really cute. The next item I want to share with you is this really pretty ladies blanket scarf. Now this would be pretty used as a scarf, but I am not going to use it for that this year. I'm going to be using it for my Christmas tree skirt. So I actually put my Christmas tree in a metal galvanized big bucket, but this will go inside of it to hide the tree base, and will match with my Christmas decorations this year. So I thought that was super pretty and perfect for that. And that was $7 at the Target dollar spot. And I've been looking for the fleece black and white check scarves that I've seen other people get at the Dollar Tree, but I cannot find those anywhere. I've been to like 3 or 4 different Dollar Trees searching for them, and I have not found any yet. So I thought this would be a good option instead of using that for my tree skirt. And the other things I got at the Target dollar spot were these really cute Christmas houses that light up. And I love the rounded top door on these little houses. So cute. So these were $5 each because they are a little bit larger than the smaller ones I've shown in a haul video before. And then they do have the little light inside of there, battery operated light. Trying to see, does it have the timer? Does not have the timer, it's just the on and off switch. I wish that it had the timer, but it does not. That would be nice if they would make it with the timer. But I think those are super cute. And then the next few items I'm going to be sharing with you are not from the dollar spot, but they are from the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia at Target. And I've been wanting these, but I didn't want to spend the full price on them, which was $7.99. And it comes with three picks. Yeah, 3 picks you get inside each box. So originally it was at the $7.99, and then it got marked down to $5.58, and then got marked down again to $4.99, and then my now price was $2.48 I paid for these, and I ended up buying 3 boxes. So I've got 3 boxes here of those that I'm going to be using for putting around my candles at Christmas time. Probably using them at my Christmas centerpiece. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. I've taken one out so you could see. And so you get 3 of these really nice eucalyptus decorative filler. So I think that just looks really pretty and natural. So I was really happy to get those on clearance. And then coming down here a little further on the table, I also found the salt and pepper shaker from the Hearth and Hand collection, and they were $5.99 and then on sale for $1.78. So I thought that was such a great price. And then I found these as well from the Hearth and Hand collection, and they were originally $2.99 on sale for 88 cents each. The only problem is that I could only find 6 of these little guys, and I really need 8. So I will be on the hunt for a few more of these and checking a different Target possibly for these to see if the other one has some more. And I'm thinking about spray painting them in a flat black for this year, because it will go along with what I'm doing for Christmas. And I think that will look really good. And so this will complete my Target, Dollar Spot, and Hearth and Hand little goodies that I purchased. I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas haul video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.